Okay, so LXML is the HTML parser. We call them as HTML parsers. So there are different types of HTML parsers. So based on the what website is using, we have to use that HTML. Okay, this Wikipedia is using LXML. So we are using LXML to get the content. All right, all of you got this till this point? So we have scraped the content of Wikipedia India page, and Beautiful Soup will help you to get the content. Only the content we can get using the type of HTML is LXML. India is equal to India dot get text. Script is equal to true. So we are getting only the text. We are not taking any other images or any other things. We are not taking, we are just getting the actual text of the website. All of you type India and see what are the type of special characters you can see. You have references, percentage, semicolons, lot of things are there, right? We have to clean all those things. So we need the actual content or sentences. We have to clean up all those things. I think most frequent is square brackets and number references, and also have square bracket with words also. That also we have to remove. And you also have a lot of numbers, digits also there, right? Those things have to be removed. For doing that, we have regular expressions. Import RE. Import RE is regular expressions library in Python for cleaning up strings or text data. Regular expressions RE. All right, shall we start? India is equal to text or strings. resub or single quotes slash square bracket d, square bracket slash d plus square bracket close square bracket double quotes comma India. So we are trying to remove the digits which are there in the square brackets. References. Basically, we are trying to remove the references from the web page. You can copy paste the same command down, and also we will remove any content. Oh, sorry. With words, W plus also. Then India is equal to re.sub single quote square bracket 0 to 9 plus comma India. Yeah. Digits. Words in square brackets. D is digits. First one is, see, you have square brackets and digits, right? We are removing square bracket digits first, then we are removing square bracket words. Digits, only numbers. In? We will see. If it causes any problem, then we will do. Then we will copy paste this 9 with instead of square brackets, you have to use parentheses. If you want to remove something in parentheses, copy paste the same command from 9 and instead of square brackets, use round brackets. That's all. Once you're done, please confirm. Done, all of you are done. Now, we need to do tokenization. What is tokenization? It's to yes. There are two types of tokenization. One is sentence tokenization. That means breaking the content into sentences. Sentence tokenization, break contents into sentences. Why do we need sentences? For doing sentiment analysis. Then we have word tokenizations, which is break sentences into words. Basically, there are two types of tokenizations which we have to do: sentence tokenization and word tokenization. First, we will do sentence tokenization so that we can extract sentences and then we can do sentiment analysis on that. From NLTK dot tokenize import sent tokenize. Now, these tokenizations also have some pre-processing in it. They also do certain pre-processing while breaking the sentences, like removing punctuations and all will be removed. Sent tokenization will break the content into sentences. Sentences, sentence is equal to sent underscore tokenize India. Sent underscore tokenize India. Length of sentence. We got 786 sentences. We got 786 sentences. Check sentence, is it clean or there are any special characters? Print sentence and see if there are any sentences are clean. You got one line sentences. Hmm. That is for something. For other content, it is clean, right? Scroll down. See, most of the content is clean only, except for some beginning characters you have, but most of it is clean only, right? Hmm. Go to Stack Overflow and find out resub for punctuations. Go to Google. Hmm. Start looking at it. Got it, all of you, or so we'll do one thing. Here only we'll add one more thing. India is equal to re.sub open bracket single quotes square bracket to the power of a hyphen z a hyphen z 0 hyphen 9 plus this comma India. So what I'll do is I'll go to the beautiful soup. I'll run it again. I'll get the text. Then I'll run the digits, words, 9, and then this. Then we will do the send tokenize. Why it is taking so much time for to the send tokenize? We have an issue. Sentence tokenize is not able to work. So this should not take this much time. Why it is taking so much time? This is the problem. See, if we do that special character thing, it is combining everything into one. It removed the spaces also. Which comma separator? Not comma separator. Full stop should be there. The problem is it is removing the full stop also, right? That is a problem. Let me extract the content again. Instead of this, there is one more suggestion given. Slash W plus. If you do slash W plus also, it is also removing everything. So what we have to do is we have to keep the content like that, and then we have to work with that only. And when you convert it into words, then we will remove them. Or we have to do, I think only first few sentences have it. Rest of them are clear only. So we will not do anything. We'll take these three only. Then tokenize sentences. Then we'll get the sentence. Okay, all of you got the sentence? Remove that because it is joining everything into one. So we'll do sentiment analysis. From text blob, import text blob. Def analyze underscore sentiment text colon analysis is equal to text blob text. If analysis dot sentiment dot polarity greater than 0 colon return positive. Elif analysis dot sentiment dot polarity double equals to 0 colon return neutral, else colon analysis dot sentiment dot polarity, sorry, else return negative. Still you are getting the error? Acha, acha. Hmm? Hmm? Convert that sentence into a data frame because it's in an array format, and then give a column name as sentence. A sentence is equal to pd dot data frame sentence df equal to pd dot data frame sentence df sentence df dot columns is equal to sentence So sentence df square bracket single quote sentiment is equal to square bracket string analyze underscore sentiment of x for x in sentence df dot sentence. Got it, all of you? What are it? That means you made a spelling mistake somewhere. Check. What is the name you gave into that function? Analyze dot sentiment underscore sentiment. No, your function is wrong. Check your function. DF function. Check it. What is the name you have given? Corrected? Print the value counts of sentiment. How many positive total and how many negative are there? Find the value counts of sentiment. How many positive, negative, and neutral? Positive. Hmm. Most of them are neutral, huh? So sentence df dot sentiment dot value underscore counts 491 neutral, 229 positive, 66 negative. The sentiments count. Got it, all of you? The value counts. Now we have used the sentences to do the sentence word count. Now we'll break them into sentences. Sorry, words. From NLTK dot tokenize, import word underscore tokenize. India words is equal to word underscore tokenize India. India words is equal to square bracket word for word in India words if word dot is all num. From NLTK dot corpus import Stop words. Stop underscore words is equal to set stop words dot words English. So India words is equal to square bracket word per word in India words if not str dot lower word in stop underscore words. Okay, check India words, or let us do one thing. We'll check with frequency distribution. From NLTK dot probability import frequency distribution. Word frequency is equal to frequency distribution India words. Word frequency dot most common 50 words. So we have still capital letters. We still have capital letters. So after this 61, add a line. India words is equal to word dot lower per word in India words. We are converting everything into lowercase. Now we connected everything to lowercase. Is all num is to select only the words. It will remove all the special characters and punctuations. Dot is null num. Type it in Google. Dot is all num. You will get the function. So it will select only the words. Alphabets and numbers combined together. And it will delete them. Now, if you look at the words, do you see anything problematic words are there? What are the words? Problematic words. Find out what are the problematic words. ISBN is that publishing thing. PP is there. So we can remove PP, ISBN from the PDF, PH, ED. B, Metcalf is there. B is there, also is there. So we are finding some words which are not relevant. We have to delete from our corpus. So India words is equal to square bracket word per word in India words. If not, word in, we'll give them as list. ISBN, comma, single quote, PP, comma, single quote, from the, comma, single quote, PH, comma, single quote, ED, comma, single quote, B, comma, single quote, PDF, comma, single quote, also. So we will delete these words from the corpus. Now I'll go up and run the command again, this frequency command again, and then I'll run the word frequencies. Now you can see any other new words have come. No, nothing. So delete these words. So you can create your own list of stop words like this. And this stop words needs to constantly update it based on the words you see and which are coming in the corpus. You have to add them to this list and delete them. Hmm.
So in the def def function, the def function with the sentence does it recommend? In the def function, we did not mention the sentence or something like that.
Text, na? Input is text. For definition, you have to give input, right? Function name followed by input. Function name def, function name followed in the bracket the input. The input you are giving it as text.
The whole sentence is
Text. Done? The input has to be given na, for input any function. The input we giving as text. So it will take text as the input. In our case, it will take sentences as the input.
So in the place of text, we can give a sentence.
Give a sentence, your name, your choice. You can give X also. Can be anything.
But sir, the default sentence.
Whatever you give, it will default. See, whatever input you are giving, it will take it as default. We are giving the input as what? Sentence. So even if you say function and in bracket X, and you give X will be the form of sentence. See, as per the function formulation, you have to give a bracket and you have to give the input name. Input name can be word like text or sentence, or it can be simply X. And then in the analyze underscore sentiment, you see X. Next, text block. Analysis is equal to text block X. So whatever input you give, it will take. Text block X analysis is equal to. Sentence is the input structure. Our input structure is sentence. Text block can only analyze sentences or text.
So similar text, which sender send tokenized value to.
Yes. Any tokenization it will take. Text block will take any tokenization, sent or word. So now do the word club. That is where we are doing the sentiment analysis. Now analysis, see text blob is the function to calculate polarity. From WordCloud, import WordCloud. India underscore words is equal to parenthesis double quote space dot join India words. WordCloud is equal to WordCloud width is equal to 1000 comma height is equal to 500 comma not comma dot generate India underscore words plt dot figure fixed size is equal to 10 comma 5 plt dot im show is word cloud plt dot show. So you have seen any problematic words in the word cloud? Just check the word cloud if you see any problematic words. Pip install is not working. Word cloud. Pip install is not working. What is the browser? Window, Edge, or the Chrome? Conda-Forge. Okay. What do you see in the word cloud? India, Indian, archived, government, region, retrieved, history, time, archived, original, archive, original on. So Okay. All of you got this? See, one of the common things you need to understand is lemmatization versus stemming. Lemmatization, Lemma, lemmatization versus stemming. See, stemming will what we call will get the root word. So stemming will cut the end letters. Stemming will cut the end alphabets till it reaches the root or base word. Stemming will cut the alphabets till it reaches the root or base word. Like let us say learner, learned, learning, learned. So what is the root word here? Learn. This process we call it as stemming. Stemming will cut the end alphabets till it reaches the root word or base word. But there is a problem with stemming. Stemming sometimes gets the popular stemmer is Porter stemmer. And the second one is snowball stemmer. Both of them almost give the same word. See, sometimes the stemming process will generate words which doesn't make sense. Take for example, you have something called easily and fairly. Easily will be stemmed as easily, or fairly will be stemmed as fairly. So this is another problem with the stemmer. This is the problem with stemming. Sometimes not sometimes, most of the times for some words, it stems like this. But does these words make any sense? No, right? So these words create problem. So to overcome this, there is another process called lemmatization. So to overcome this, we have lemmatization. So which goes beyond word reduction, and considers a language vocabulary. It will take into consideration a language vocabulary to apply morphological analysis to the word. That means whether the word is correct or not, it will check in a vocabulary and then it will give us the relevant word. So lemmatization has a better performance compared to stemming. Lemmatization also determines the part of speech based on surrounding words. Based on the surrounding words, it will also decide the parts of speech. This is one of the common interview question you will see in NLP, lemmatization versus stemming. Stemming will cut it, but most of the time stemming will also create words that does not make sense. We'll do it, or we'll do both the processes, and then we'll check which one is better. So lemmatization is more advanced than simple stemming. So from from NLTK dot stem dot porter import porter stemmer. So porter stemmer we will apply. Word stem is equal to word dot porter stemmer or we have to give the short name. P underscore stem is equal to porter stemmer. Word stem is equal to square bracket word dot P underscore stem per word in India words. Oh. String object has no attributes term. Okay. Word stem is equal to P underscore stem dot stem India words. Word per word in India stem is equal to square bracket str w for w in India underscore stem India words. Outer object is not callable. Dot stem. This object has no attribute lower. Making small loop mistakes. So this is the word stem. See, article, republic, it all words are not making sense. You can see here. Disambiguous. Check the words. The words are not making sense, right? Some of them. What is the problem of stemmer?
Training and limitation both are working equally, but refer to the dictionary.
Let us see. We have not done lemmatization, no? Lemmatization is better than stemming. Both are same, no difference. Quarter is mostly used. You can take your break 15 minutes and then we'll. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yes, tell me. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, no, I'm not interested because the documentation is problem. So I can't get the certificate and all. So I can't get the certificate and all. So I don't want to take anything now. No, I have. Okay. Okay. Hello. Yeah, good morning. చెప్పండి. అది సాలరీ సర్టిఫికేట్ లేదమ్మా. రావు. ఎమాటికస్ లెర్నింగ్. బ్యాంక్లో వచ్చేసి కంపెనీ నేమ్తోనే అవుతుంది. అవును. ఉన్నాయి, పర్సనల్ లోన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. హెచ్డిఎఫ్సి బ్యాంక్లో ఉన్నాయి, ఐసిఐసిఐలో ఉన్నాయి. 7 దాకా తీసుకున్నాను. అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ ఉంటుంది 3.5 అట్లాగా. ఐసిఐసి కూడా ఉంది, అది కూడా 5 దాకా ఉంది. అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ అంతే ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఇప్పుడు సివిల్ రిపోర్ట్ చెక్ చేస్తే అన్నీ వస్తాయి కదా. సివిల్ రిపోర్ట్ చెక్ చేస్తే మరి లోన్స్ చూసి మీరు టూ మెనీ అప్లికేషన్స్ అంటారు. నాకు గుర్తులేదమ్మా. ఉన్నాయి, అప్లికేషన్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయి, టూ మెనీ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 750 ఎంత ఉంది క్రెడిట్ రేటింగ్, బట్ అప్లికేషన్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయి. అరౌండ్ 12 lakhs దాకా ఉండొచ్చు. ఇంతే ఇంతే ఉంటాయి ఇవే. క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ ఉంది, అదే రెగ్యులర్ అమౌంట్ పే చేసేస్తాను, అది ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ ఈ మంత్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే 2 lakhs స్పెండ్ చేశాను కాబట్టి 2,50,000 దాకా ఉంటుంది అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ ఈ మంత్. రెండు కలిపి 15, 7, 22, 40, 38,000 or 30 something like that. లేదు మొబైల్ యాప్ ఏం తీసుకోలేదు, నేను ఎప్పుడు తీసుకున్నాను. ఇది కూడా పైసా బజార్ వాళ్ళు చెప్తుంటే చూస్తున్నాను. ఉంటాయమ్మా, ఈ స్మార్ట్ ఈఎంఐస్ ఉంటాయి. అవే మొబైల్ ఫోన్ సంబంధించింది ఉంటాయి. ఐఫోన్ ఒకటి ఉంది, ఐప్యాడ్ ఒకటి ఉన్నట్టుంది. అంతే. ఇది చూసాను, ఇప్పుడు చూస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు హెచ్డిఎఫ్సిలో యాక్టివ్ లోన్ ఒకటే ఉందమ్మా, 3,30 ఉంది యాక్టివ్ లోను. అలా కాదమ్మా, బ్యాలెన్స్ మీద అయితే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత పడుతుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని లేదు, యాక్చువల్గా ప్రస్తుతానికి అయితే హెచ్డిఎఫ్సిలో ఒకటే ఉంది పిఎల్ యాక్టివ్ 7.93. రెండోది కార్డు మీద ఉన్నట్టుందమ్మా, ఇన్స్టాలోనే ఉన్నట్టుంది. ఒక్క నిమిషం 28,000 ఏదో ఉంది దాంట్లో మీద. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఈఎంఐ, ఒక్క నిమిషం చూస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే 330 యాక్టివ్ ఒకటి ఉంది ఏవిపిఎల్ మీద, దానికి 7,593. ఇన్స్టాల్ రెండు యాక్టివ్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒకటి 670కి, ఒకటి 350కి ఉంది. ఒకటి 28,000, ఇంకోటి 15,000 అనుకుంటా. 15 కాదు, 11,000. ఎందుకంటే నేను చాలా రోజుల నుంచి చూడలేదు. సంథింగ్ ఐ టుక్ ఇట్, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు గెట్. ఒక్క నిమిషం అమ్మా, ఒక్క నిమిషం, నేను నోట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. ఈ 350 దీని మీద ఈఎంఐ ఎంత పడుతుంది తెలియదు. ఇన్స్టాలోను ఈ రెండు కాకుండా పిఎల్ వచ్చి 330 ఉంది, 75 ఎంత పడుతుంది, 7593. నిమిషం, యాక్టివ్లో స్మార్ట్ ఈఎంఐస్ చిన్న చిన్న ఉన్నాయి, 58, 58, 68 ఉంది. అయిపోతాయి, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఐసిఐసిఐలో రెండు ఉన్నాయి, 7,000 lakhs ఉన్నాయి, 7,794, 15,974, 50,000, 7,000. ఇవన్నీ కలిపితే అమ్మా, అన్ని లోన్స్ కలిపితే 10, 20, 26 lakhs ఉన్నాయి, 23 lakhs ఉన్నాయి. అదే నేను చెప్పే కదా, రాదండి మరి మీ పాలసీ బజార్లో హడావుడి చేస్తున్నారు తప్ప. From NLTK dot there's no internet.